Hi, it's Chris from Epix Systems. This is a short video to support you through what the changes are to the system with the change to the Domestic Reverse Charge, or the VAT reverse charge, as brought in by the government on the 1st of March 2021. This video is all about the purchasing side of things, so I'll be showing you how to ensure that the correct CIS rules apply to the purchase orders that you create, and then also when you receive the supplier invoices and come to record those invoices into the system, I'll be showing you how to ensure that again you select the correct CIS options. Of course, this is an instructional video on how our system has been designed to accommodate the new changes. If you've got any questions at all, or if you want to find any further information about the new Domestic Recharge VAT, then you should probably take a look at the government's website. This link here is particularly useful, and there are some flowcharts which give you the breakdown of where reverse charge should apply. If we begin by creating a purchase order, I can do this from my system under the Create menu and selecting Purchase Order. You'll notice that the screen looks the same as it always does, however we have an additional field here for whether CIS applies to this particular purchase order. So using the drop down here, you can see we have the three options available to us: whether reverse charge applies, therefore zero VAT, whether reverse charge does not apply and is normal VAT, or whether CIS does not apply at all. So you would just simply choose the relevant option when you're creating your order. So here's a purchase order that I've now completed. As we can see here, I've added the CIS option for CIS does not apply. So when I save this purchase order, I'm just going to pass this order now. Here we can see in the general details section, we've now got the CIS option here, where we can see that CIS does not apply. If I go and press print and print the order, you can see here now that I've got a normal order. If I scroll down, you can see here all looks very normal in terms of the net value of that purchase order. If we click on the edit pencil for the general details, as if we want to edit our purchase order, we can also make changes to the CIS ruling here as well. So if we've done it incorrectly, we can change the CIS reverse charge here. So if I was to change this now to the reverse charge does apply with zero VAT, and then press continue to save that, then this will take effect here as well. And similarly, if we press to print the order, then if I zoom in down here on the bottom, we can see that the message at the bottom here indicates that reverse charge VAT applies to this purchase order. So assuming that our purchase order has been delivered now and that we are now in receipt of the supplier's invoice, then the invoice would be recorded here using the record invoice button. And the only difference that you can see on this particular screen now is that where VAT does not apply, or reverse charge applies with zero VAT, then we have automatically assumed zero VAT on the invoice. If I cancel this and edit our order to be a CIS does not apply, and I hit record invoice again, you'll notice now that the VAT has been applied because CIS doesn't apply. So just to go back over that process again, if I edit it back to the way it was, and then I hit record invoice, because reverse charge applies, there is no VAT here, and that's the only change on this screen. Well, that covers the process for purchase orders and the reverse charge VAT. If you have any questions at all, then do give us a shout.